Hi friends, it's teacher Denise here, and I saw something about making some chalk paint using ingredients from home, so I wanted to try that out today to make some chalk paint. So according to the recipe, I need 1 part cornstarch for 2 parts water. So what that means is that whatever measurement I use to get the cornstarch, I'll use 1 cornstarch measurement, put it right there in the cup, and then I'm going to use 2 of that same measurement to get the water. So 1, 2, okay? So I'm going to keep scooping 1 part cornstarch and 2 parts water to fill up the rest of these. Okay, I filled 6 little wells in my my container here with 1 part cornstarch and 2 parts water. So I'm just going to kind of mix this up. And actually, we've played with this before. This is goop when you mix cornstarch and water, and it has a very interesting feel on its own. But I'm just kind of making sure that all the cornstarch gets wet. And then I'm going to pick a color using my food coloring and just drip a tiny bit in there. Boop. Just a little bit of purple. I think I'll do turquoise in the next one. Just a little bit of turquoise. All right, and let's mix this up and see. What do we get? Look, the purple color goes all over. It gets easier to mix. Oh, that's a nice vibrant purple color there. Okay, I'm actually going to flip over my stick so that I don't put purple into the turquoise. I'm going to use the other end and mix the turquoise in. Okay, and I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to keep mixing in colors to fill in the rest of these little wells. Okay, so I mixed up cornstarch, water, and food coloring and made this chalk paint. And so now I'm going to use my paintbrushes, dip in here, and see what happens. Oh, I got a purple color there. Oh, the dog is interested. All right, I got that purple color. Let me see. I think I'm going to use a different paintbrush for each color so that I don't end up mixing. But I guess if you wanted to experiment with what it's like to mix your colors, you could try out both. All right, let's see. Some orange out here. Ooh, that orange is really bright, especially on this kind of orangish concrete here. And then, oh, interesting. Okay, let's do a little red, see what that one looked like. Ooh, it's a nice vibrant red. Looks like the red and the orange show up the best on this surface.
Yeah.
All right, so there you go, some homemade chalk paint. Or if you guys make some chalk paint, I would love to see how it turns out. Send me a picture or a video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!